So me and my friend was about to attend an overnight party, and we decided to charge our AirPods Pro to max before attending it. So both of us at 100% in our buds and charging case, but he kept doing something during the party that drained his battery life. At the end of the second day, he had 56% of battery life in the case, while I had 71, and I found out why. Today I'll be showing you what you shouldn't do to your AirPods Pro for more battery. If you are an AirPod user, you will notice that once you open the lid of a paired AirPod, there will be a pop-up window. And this is actually the problem. I love how much Apple cares about this small attention to details, especially with the AirPods and AirPods Pro. When opening and slamming it shut, it just feels really satisfying to hear the click and the sensation. So this is the problem, is that every time when you open the AirPod will attempt to connect it with a Bluetooth enabled device, which will cause the AirPods to try to pair with a Bluetooth enabled device. Even if it's other people's device, it will just try to pair, find something that is Bluetooth enabled and try to pair. That's what the AirPods should be doing. And every time when this happens, battery will be drained. So a way to save battery is, I know it's really satisfying to just play with the case, but when playing with the lid, do expect your battery to be drained a bit more. So if you are already a battery conserver, don't do this as often. Thanks for watching. Please remember to hit like and smash the subscribe button. Turn on post notifications and do follow me on Instagram for updates. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.